Hi. Hi. Today we are going to do unboxing of two coins, not coins actually rounds. So of Germania mint, which are going to be in this box. As you can see, I have purchased this from Germany and it has been delivered to me via Deutsche Post. So let's get on with this unboxing and see what we have got in the box. Alright, we have opened the box. This is the invoice for the purchase, and as you can see slightly, there is the certificate of authenticity for the rounds which I have purchased. We'll get back to this later on. I think our product is in this cardboard wrapping, brown paper wrapping, I should say. Okay, let's remove this, and this envelope seems to have the product which we have ordered. It's packed very nicely. Okay, so it's bubble mirror which has been used to send the product, keep it safe during transit. Like I said, I have purchased this coin, not coin actually round, from Germany. Now, let's take a look at, wow, they are really beautiful. Let me just get you a close-up. So these are the two rounds which have been purchased by me, and they have been made by Germania mint. So let's just see the details first. The round on the left is their 2019 edition of Allegory series, and it has a depiction of Germania, which is on the right, as you can see, and on the left Colombia is represented for United States. And this is the opposite side, that is the front side of the coin. And if we flip the coin and try to see the reverse side, we have the Germania mint emblem. It's written here, Germania 2019 series, and down here is written as 5 marks. So mark is not a currency which is in circulation right now because Germany has moved over to euro, but just to give you a symbolic value, this round has been mentioned as face value of 5 marks, but this is not a coin. So the difference between a coin and a round is that a coin is backed by a sovereign government. For example, you have got Britannia, which I have reviewed earlier, that has a face value of 2 pounds, but this one has just a symbolic face value of 5 marks. So mark is not a currency, but the details of this coin is really amazing, as you can see. Now let's just take a look at the front again. And these coins are presented in the capsule, which is specially made for these kind of rounds, where the front side has a lens kind of coating. As I don't know whether you are able to capture that or no, but if you look closely, it has a little bit thicker size on the front, which is a bit like a lens, so you can enjoy the detail of the coin without removing it from its capsule. But you can remove certainly the coin from the capsule, not coin, again I should say round. So this is really great. Now let's just keep this one aside and take a look at the other one which we have got here. This is their 2020 series Germania coin. It has Germania depicted here, and there's a two-headed eagle which is landing on her hand. So So here also Germania 2020 is mentioned in the front, and 1 troy ounce 999.9 fine silver is mentioned at the bottom here. And if we see the reverse side of the coin, again 5 mark design is there, and compared to the old coin, this one has a depiction of two-headed eagle, and again 5 mark is mentioned, and down here Germania mint's name is mentioned, Germania. So just to give you an idea again how these coins look side by side. They look stunning. The details, the quality of minting is really good, simply because Germania is not producing these coins a lot. So there is a limited number of coins which have been produced, and that's why they have been able to keep the quality. They have got other coins, Dragon series, and even the other series is Mythical Creatures series. So they have got a lot of coins, but all their coins have limited production runs. And as you can see, both the coins, both the rounds, again I would say these are the rounds, both the rounds have reeded edges, so they look really nice. Both the coins have weight of 1 troy ounce, and silver is 999.9, that is it's 99.9% pure silver. And this is the reverse side of both the coins in rounds. So both the rounds have different designs, and both the designs are really amazing. Now let's take a look at the certificate of authenticity which we have received and see what information is presented there. So we have got, since 2 rounds, so we have got 2 certificates. So all Germania produced coins, rounds have this certificate of authenticity given with them. So whenever you purchase anything, you will be able to get 1 certificate of authenticity for each and every round you purchase. So that's how they maintain the quality. Now let's just take a look at this, which one we have got. Alright, so this is their 2020, that is on the right hand side. So this is the certificate of authenticity for this particular coin, and let's see what information is given here. So it says here that the official coins of Germania Mint, and in the details it is mentioned here the face value is 5 mark. Again, it is very symbolic, like I said, it's not a coin backed by a government, so we cannot call it coin per se, but it can be called as a silver round. Metal fineness is 999.9 Ag, that is symbol for silver. Diameter is given, and then content is 1 troy ounce. Okay, and grade is brilliant uncirculated. Since these coins come in the capsule from the mint, so you can be sure that you will get a quality coin without any tampering or without any scratches or any other marks. So their quality is very nice. And now you can see here at the bottom it's mentioned the release is limited to 20,000 pieces only. So there are only 25,000 pieces of this coin in this whole world. On the back we can see Germania Mint logo, their website details are given, and then so it's supposed to be folded like this. I'm going to keep it that way, so we will keep this one here. And now let's see the other one. So as you can see, the certificate of authenticity also has the same design printed in the front, so you know which certificate is for which round. So here it is mentioned the certificate for Allegory series, Columbia and Germania. Like I said, Columbia is on the left representing USA, and Germania is on right representing Germany. So face value of this round is 5 mark. Again, it's a symbolic year 2019. Metal fineness and rest of the dimensions are same. And this coin also is limited release. Only 25,000 pieces are minted for this particular design, and hence again the quality is very nice. Now to just give you a perspective, 25,000 mintage is very low number for any bullion coin, because normally when other bullion coins like you have seen your Britannia or even Maple series or even Silver Eagles are minted by any mint, they don't run a limited number. They can mint as much as they want without any limitation to that. So based on the demand and market conditions, they can mint. So but here Germania really prides themselves on the quality, and that's why their rounds have such nice details. I'm really happy with this, and this is really nice purchase. And since these are very limited, so you can be sure that they will appreciate in the value in future, and your investment will not go to waste. So with this, I hope that you liked the unboxing and review of these two rounds from Germania Mint. And if you have any questions or comments, or if you would like me to review some other coins from rounds from Germania Mint, please let me know in the comment box below. If you have liked it or not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and hit a bell icon so that you can get notifications when I upload the new videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.